Today's video is sponsored by Monster Energy. All right, so as you know, this is Spin City. My name's Ben B. This is my 2013 base model Mustang GT, and we're gonna be talking about things I love about this car. All right, so let's just hop right into it, man. We're gonna separate it, right? So the first one is styling, right? So the S197 was from the years 2005 to 2014, and the 13 to 14s are the best, no cap, the best
by far,
the best looking fucking Mustang. Come here, Woody, come here. We'll start at the front of the car, man. There are subtle differences from the 11 to 12 and then the 13 to 14, right? So the 2010 year, they came out with the remodeling of the S197 chassis, right? And in 2011, they came out with the Coyote motor, right? It's a dual overhead cam, V8, makes 420 horsepower. It's super gangster. The only thing is the styling. It's different. Plus the 1314 had some minor tweaks to the motor and everything. But nonetheless, let's start off with the front, man. By far, the most gangster thing about the 1314s is the lights. All right, so we come down here. You've got the halo fog lights are aftermarket, so don't even think about those. I don't really like them. So hit me up if you want to buy them. It's got the DRLs in there, right? It's also got that thing right there. Moving forward, we got the hood vents. The 11 to 12 did not have the hood vents like that. It's really dirty. There's a lot of water spots, so don't even mind that. Coming back to the back, the 13, 14 taillights, man. Obviously superior. Right there, that's the money shot right there, baby. Doesn't get much better than that. Also, another thing, the 13, 14s don't come with quad tips unless you do the GT500 valence conversion. It's just a little bit of cutting, but it's all there from the factory, so you just pretty much have to cut it yourself. Number two, man, coming inside the vehicle, get inside here. Now for a base model, it's all right. It's very simple. Everything works right, you know. For a two-seater, it's pretty comfortable, you know. I do like the cloth seats a little better than the leather, especially when it gets hot. Coming up on number three.
I was like, what are you doing?
Martin knows nothing about this third pedal. Obviously, it's not stock, right? You've got the Corsa Extreme axle back on here, paired with pipes, long tubes, headers, with a high flow cat and resonator deletes. It screams American Eagles. And sounds of John Wayne. Happy Thanksgiving, pilgrims. Now let's talk about something that Martin knows nothing about.
Look, listen, first of all, I'm gonna point this out. My Subi was a manual, okay? So I do know.
Coming inside the vehicle, come here, man. Let me show the peoples. We've got the MT82 transmission. People give it a lot of crap because it's balls. And yes, the stock clutch is balls. But the MT82, if you don't beat it up, it's a good transmission. It's kind of loud. It's clunky. But, you know, I like it.
Damn it.
Get out of here, man. We're recording, you fly. Sitting in traffic sucks.
I hate it.
But everything else, rolling up to a car meet,
oh yeah,
driving in the mountains, or even on the freeway, you know, it's just fun. It's fun. You have complete control over the vehicle. But please, for the love of God, if you buy a Mustang and you turn into a meme, I will come find you and kill you in your sleep. So please learn how to drive the car properly before you start doing dumb stuff. All right, manual transmission, man, I love it, and it's sick. Number 5, it encompasses everything that's great about the Ford Motor Company. And I'm not saying that because I work for Ford, because they make a lot of shitty stuff. It's the 5-liter motor, man. Again, obviously it's not stock, but it's not all done up, right? The 5-liter is a proven motor, man. Since 2011, they come in trucks, they come in fucking Mustangs. For a naturally aspirated car, it does everything you want. It's got the cruising ability to be on the highway. It's also got the ability to go out there on fucking Friday nights in Mexico and tear it up, right? These cars are light, man. Yeah, man, that's 5 things I love about this car, man. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications button so next time you post something gangster, you'll be able to get it.